How to make iPhone a hotspot? For that, you need to turn on your hotspot option first. Go to your iPhone setting option, and then you found personal hotspot, number 4 option. Press on it, and then you need to enable it. And suppose I am using a very easy password for test purpose. 5678, done. Then I already allow other to join. Now go to my another phone. Let's see how it working. Press on Wi-Fi. Then you see my hotspot name, my MD Akramul 2023, and I need to put my password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then press on connect. Sorry, incorrect password. Mistake. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, it's connected. Now you can enjoy your internet activity.